Hi, it's Christa with artisticvegan.com and welcome to another Artistic Vegan show. I'm so excited to bring a delicious, healthy dessert recipe. These are fudgy cocoa brownies and I made them recently and asked if people were interested on Instagram and it was 100% yes. So without further ado, let's get right into how to make this recipe. I think you're gonna love it because it's made with almonds and almond flour and almond butter instead of fat, and dates instead of refined sugar, so they're actually pretty darn healthy. We've even had one with coffee. You can also add chocolate chips or something on top, but you absolutely don't have to. That's what I love about this recipe. If you don't have any chocolate chips in the house, you can make something chocolatey and fudgy and delicious. So let's go ahead and do it. First thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll also want to mix your flax meal with water and make your flax egg. This is a vegan egg, and it's 2 tablespoons of flax meal with 6 tablespoons of water. To make your almond flour, I have almonds in a blender. I'm going to make a little extra, so I have some on hand since it's so handy. And then you just mix it all together until it's a fine flour, and that's it. It's really easy. So now we have almond flour for future recipes, and you want about 1/2 cup of that you can set aside. And then take your dates. I have a cup of dates, pitted medjool, and then almond butter, 1/2 cup of that. Flax mixture, and your vanilla. I had 2 teaspoons of that. And then you want to put it in a food processor or blender and process it for about 1 to 2 minutes until it is really nice and creamy and there's not too many chunks of the dates left. Now you can sift and fold in your ingredients, or you can just combine it all in your blender or food processor and keep it simple. So I've got a 1/2 cup of the almond flour, the cocoa powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then you just want to mix that all together and then transfer it to a pan that's been pre-greased. And you can also take a little of the cacao or cocoa powder and sprinkle it around the bottom and sides to prevent it from sticking. Okay, and then just over to the blender. Mix it together. Well, we have our delicious, fudgy, healthy chocolate brownies. I don't know about you, but I find chocolate so invigorating and exciting, and it smells delicious, and I can't wait to have some. Have a little bit of coffee here and give it a little taste. Fudgy and rich, super chocolatey, perfect. Go to artisticvegan.com to get the recipe. I know you're gonna love it, and it happens to be healthy, so you can't go wrong there. And I'll see you next time. Bye. And you'll also want to mix your flax meal with water. I have 2 tablespoons. Oops. Forgot about that. Fudgy and rich, super chocolatey, everything you want in a brownie. Oh, you'll need your flax egg mixture. Hi, it's Christa with Artistic Vegan, and welcome to Season 1, Episode 4 of the Glowing Meal Plan series.